Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel to Tikky. Today I have a menu that is easy to make and very delicious to recommend to you. It is a Japanese style omelette recipe. I serve it with steamed rice. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Season the eggs with 1/8 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon Japanese seasoning powder, 1 tablespoon water. When I'm done seasoning, after that, use a fork to beat the eggs and seasonings until well combined. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 20 grams of butter. Wait until the oil is hot and the butter melts. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and fry the eggs until cooked on both sides. I use medium heat. Place the Japanese omelette on top of the steamed rice and you are done. Enjoy!